Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex sentiment meter in front of us. You'll find it on my website avilassajarika.com under the Forex 0101 section. So 18% retail traders have taken short position and 81% retail traders have taken buy position and still they are on the buy side. This is very shocking. Okay, and see the average price where they have taken buy position is 1.1463 and right now market is trading at 1213. So most of the traders have taken buy position here or here, and this is the main reason why traders lose money, retail traders, because we assume from our end that market has reached the bottom and market will be going up. My dear friend, this is your money. Stop gambling with your hard-earned money. Stop assuming that market has reached the bottom. Always keep in mind, in case of a downtrend market, until and unless you get a V pattern like this, do not consider this as a trend reversal. And in case of an uptrend market, unless you get an inverted V pattern, do not consider it as a trend reversal. Okay, so if you are taking a buy position thinking that market will be reversing from here, you are risking your hard-earned money. Don't do that. And you can see right now Euro USD after this huge fall trying to recover. Okay, trying to recover. Not much buying power after all. Sellers, this is a complete sellers market. Sellers are highly dominating the market. So as a result, though market is trying to recover here, but we do not see any buying power here. Okay, and one more reason is this is a currency strength meter. You can see euro is positive today, and whereas US dollar is negative. Okay, therefore Euro USD is trying to recover because USD is negative. But do not consider that we are going to have a trend reversal on US dollar. After all, this is for today only. Okay. If you look at the chart of DXY US dollar, yes, we are having some correction on DXY, but the overall structure or the overall setup of US dollar is still very bullish. If the correction continues, then DXY will come down little bit more and it will bounce from the trend line. And if the trend line provides the support, DXY will go again we will see selling on Euro USD. In case the trend line fails to provide the support to the market, then the line at the bottom, this line 96.40 will be acting as the next support and market will be going up. And if DXY starts going up again, we will be seeing selling pressure on Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP USD again. So be careful and keep your eyes on the chart of DXY. But the correction is temporary, but the uptrend that we are seeing here is there in the market for many days and it will be there, I think so. Let's wait and watch. So this is the overall some scenario on Euro USD. Hopefully you've understood. So following the thumb rule of the market, or the basic rule, is follow the trend. Trend is our friend. So we should mainly look for selling opportunities because we can easily see that this is a seller's market. And the next question is, where should we sell and where is our area of value? In that case, okay, in a market condition like this, when market is going down, the area of value or the best trading opportunity is always near the resistance. In this case, you can see that this trend line is acting as a resistance. So if Euro USD goes up and reverses from the trend line, you can take a sell position. If you see Euro USD struggling near the trend line, if you see Euro USD reversing from the trend line, definitely you can take a sell position. But if Euro USD fails to go up, in case we see sudden buying on DXY and Euro USD surrenders again and starts going down, definitely Euro USD will break the level again. Okay, the Euro USD will break the level of 1 point, what is the low price here? Yes, 1186. Okay. So if Euro USD breaks the level of 1.1186, then again you can take a sell position. So we have two opportunities here. First of all, if Euro USD tries to go up and reverses from the trend line, we can take a sell position. And if it fails to go up and starts going down again and breaks the level of 1186, you can take a sell position. Whatever you do, just for the additional confirmation, look at the chart of DXY US dollar, because if DXY is up, we see Euro USD going down, and if DXY is down, we see Euro USD going up. Okay, so whatever you do, be very careful. And this is it. Hopefully you've understood. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow. And my dear friends, if you want to join the Pro Trader program, where I share the best trading opportunities in the market, the link is in the description. Bye bye, take care.